Section 1. An unexpected connection: fertility and lifespan. We often think of fertility and lifespan as separate aspects of human biology, but what if these two were connected in surprising ways? Recent studies have uncovered an intriguing correlation between fertility rates and how long we live. This discovery challenges our assumptions and opens up new avenues for understanding the aging process. It suggests that the factors influencing our reproductive years might hold clues to unlocking a longer, healthier life. One might assume that having more children would take a toll on lifespan, depleting resources and accelerating aging. However, emerging evidence paints a more nuanced picture. It suggests that optimal fertility, rather than simply having more or fewer children, might be associated with greater longevity. Researchers are delving into the intricate mechanisms that might explain this correlation. They are exploring a range of factors from genetics and hormones to lifestyle choices and environmental influences. This exploration is leading to a deeper understanding of the complex interplay between reproductive health and overall well-being. Section 2. Unraveling the mystery. A look at the research. One groundbreaking study examined data from hundreds of thousands of individuals. This large-scale analysis revealed a fascinating pattern. Women who had a specific number of children tended to live longer than their counterparts with fewer or more children. This sweet spot for fertility suggested an optimal range for reproduction that correlates with greater longevity. The study's findings sparked intense interest within the scientific community. Researchers wanted to understand the biological mechanisms at play. One theory focuses on the role of hormones. Pregnancy and childbirth trigger significant hormonal shifts in the body. These shifts could have lasting effects on various biological systems, potentially influencing aging trajectories. For example, some hormones associated with pregnancy have been shown to have protective effects on certain age-related diseases. Another avenue of investigation centers on genetics. Researchers are exploring whether certain genetic variations might predispose individuals to both higher fertility and longer lifespans. Unraveling the complex interplay between genes, hormones, and other biological factors is crucial to understanding the intricate relationship between fertility and lifespan. Section 3. The biological clock: how fertility shapes lifespan. The concept of a biological clock is not new. We often associate it with the female reproductive system. Recent findings suggest this clock is more complex than we thought. It's about the interplay between reproductive hormones, cellular processes, and health. Hormonal changes in pregnancy, especially estrogen, might protect against age-related diseases. Estrogen impacts cardiovascular health, bone density, and cognitive function. The relationship between pregnancy and health is complex and influenced by many factors. Section 4. Beyond biology, environmental factors at play. While biological factors play a significant role in the fertility-lifespan link, they do not tell the whole story. Environmental factors including lifestyle choices, socioeconomic conditions, and access to healthcare also exert a powerful influence on both reproductive health and longevity. Lifestyle choices, particularly diet and exercise, have a profound impact on overall health and well-being. They can influence hormone levels, cellular aging, and the risk of developing chronic diseases. For example, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, combined with regular physical activity, has been shown to improve fertility in both men and women. These same lifestyle choices are also associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer, all of which can impact lifespan. Socioeconomic factors also play a crucial role. Studies have consistently shown that people living in poverty tend to have shorter lifespans and higher rates of chronic diseases compared to their wealthier counterparts. Access to quality healthcare is another critical factor. Section 5. The power of lifestyle, diet, exercise, and longevity. Lifestyle choices, particularly diet and exercise, have a profound impact on both fertility and longevity. They influence our bodies at a cellular level, affecting hormone production, inflammation levels, and even the expression of our genes. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can not only boost our chances of conceiving and having a healthy pregnancy, but also add years to our lives. Diet plays a crucial role in reproductive health. Essential nutrients like folic acid, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids are vital for both male and female fertility. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides these nutrients while also helping to maintain a healthy weight. Regular physical activity is equally important. Exercise helps regulate hormones, improve blood flow to reproductive organs, and reduce stress levels, all of which can benefit fertility. Beyond fertility, exercise is a cornerstone of longevity, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. While we often focus on individual lifestyle choices, the power of social connections in promoting longevity is increasingly recognized. Strong social bonds and a sense of community have been linked to better health outcomes, including increased lifespan. Intriguingly, these social factors might also play a role in the fertility-lifespan connection. Humans are social creatures, wired for connection and belonging. Studies have shown that strong social relationships can reduce stress levels, improve mental health, and even boost immune function. These benefits can have a direct impact on longevity, as chronic stress and poor mental health are associated with an increased risk of chronic diseases. Social support can be particularly crucial during the demanding phases of child-rearing. Having a network of family and friends to provide practical and emotional support can alleviate stress and improve overall well-being for parents. This support can enable parents to better manage the challenges of parenthood, potentially contributing to better long-term health outcomes. Socioeconomic status plays a complex and multifaceted role in both fertility and lifespan. Studies have consistently shown a strong correlation between socioeconomic status and health outcomes, with those from lower socioeconomic backgrounds experiencing shorter lifespans and higher rates of chronic diseases. This disparity highlights the profound influence of social determinants of health on biological processes. Access to healthcare is a major factor. Individuals with lower socioeconomic status often face barriers to accessing quality healthcare, including limited insurance coverage, high costs, and a shortage of healthcare providers in their communities. This lack of access can result in delayed diagnoses, inadequate treatment, and poorer management of chronic conditions, all of which can impact both fertility and lifespan. Environmental factors also play a significant role. People living in poverty are more likely to reside in areas with higher levels of pollution, limited access to healthy food options, and increased exposure to crime and violence. These environmental stressors can have a cumulative effect on health, increasing the risk of chronic diseases and contributing to health disparities. The relationship between fertility and lifespan is not uniform across the globe. Cultural norms, socioeconomic conditions, and access to healthcare vary widely from one country to another, influencing both reproductive patterns and longevity. Examining these global variations provides valuable insights into the complex interplay of factors that shape human health and longevity. In many developed countries where access to healthcare is generally good and life expectancy is high, fertility rates have been declining for decades. This decline is attributed to various factors, including increased access to contraception, higher levels of education and female workforce participation, and delayed childbearing. Interestingly, despite the lower fertility rates, life expectancy in these countries continues to rise, suggesting that other factors such as improved healthcare and living conditions are playing a significant role in longevity. In contrast, many developing countries face a different set of challenges. While access to healthcare has been improving in many regions, it remains limited in some areas, particularly in rural communities. Infectious diseases, malnutrition, and complications during pregnancy and childbirth continue to pose significant health risks, impacting both fertility and lifespan. Cultural norms and social structures also influence reproductive patterns and health outcomes. The emerging research on the fertility-lifespan connection challenges our traditional understanding of aging. We often view aging as a linear decline, an inevitable march toward frailty and disease. However, the correlation between optimal fertility and longevity suggests that aging is a more nuanced process, influenced by a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and social factors. This research prompts us to reconsider the concept of a biological clock. Rather than a simple countdown to decline, our biological clocks might be more like intricate timepieces, influenced by a myriad of internal and external cues. Understanding these cues and how they interact could hold the key to unlocking a longer, healthier life. By unraveling the intricate mechanisms that link fertility and lifespan, scientists might be able to identify novel ways to promote healthy aging. This knowledge could lead to the development of new therapies, lifestyle interventions, and public health policies aimed at extending not just our lifespan, but also our health span, the number of years we live in good health.